with versatile functions. The ruggedly constructed lathe has a 45-degree slant bed with boxways that exhibit ultra-high stability in heavy cutting. The Hannsa YTH12 1100M is a large-capacity machine. Swing-over bed reaches a 600 mm diameter. Maximum turning diameter is up to 450 millimeters. Maximum turning length allowed is 1,050 millimeters. The lathe utilizes an A28 spindle with spindle hole diameter of 102 millimeters, allowing turning of extra large workpieces. The YTH12 1100M is equipped with a 12-position power turret in combination with a C-axis spindle function to perform turning, milling, drilling, and tapping operations in one setup. The power turret is driven by a servo motor for fast tool change in high positioning and repeatability accuracy. The C-axis function of the spindle features extra high indexing accuracy of 1 micron.